Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video, where we'll be looking at the drawing tools within MapThat. Let's use the Bookmarks tool to open the Planning Applications layer. Once the layer loads, we can see red, green and blue application features within our map. The drawing tools are available from the Edit Tools menu. Clicking the Edit Layer list, you can now choose which layer to edit, with the list being dependent on your login and role. Let's choose Liverpool Planning Applications, and the drawing tools load into the left-hand panel. The Create panel allows you to create new map objects, and firstly we'll create a new planning application by placing a point in a map canvas. Having placed the pin, the Edit Attributes form will auto appear, allowing you to record the attributes for the new feature. Fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. You can add free text as well as choose from list boxes, for example, choosing the progress to be submitted. Once you've completed the attributes, press OK and then press the Save button to save the new feature to your source data. Notice in the map the planning app has now been coloured blue as its progress is submitted. Using the Edit Tools panel, choose the Move button, left click on the point and drag it to a new location. Once you've positioned it, press the Save button to commit the changes. If the planning application's progress has changed, use the Edit Attributes button to select the map feature and the attributes form appears. Let's edit the requested details and then change the progress to be passed. To commit the updates, press OK and save the changes. Note in the map window the planning application changes to green to reflect the change in its state. If there's a planning application needs deleting, choose the Remove Shape button from the Edit Tools and left click on the map feature. Ensure you confirm that you wish to delete the feature and then press the Save button to make the change. Let's draw a new planning application using the Draw Line tool, left clicking the map to start the line, left clicking to change direction and double left clicking to complete the feature. Again, ensure you enter the attributes for the new planning app, including the requester, location, progress and a plot reference. Choose OK and then click the Save button to save the new feature. This time from the Edit Tools, choose the Edit Scissors tool to reshape the planning application, left clicking to drag existing lines and clicking on existing vertices to remove them and making the line shorter. Once you've reshaped the feature, choose the Save button again. Next, we'll create a new planning application using the Draw Polygon tool. Having located the property boundary to draw around, left click to create the boundary shape. Once completed, again enter the details for this new planning application. Choose OK and press the Save button to commit the changes. Let's now zoom the map to draw a more accurate feature. Once zoomed in, from the drawing tools, we'll click the Enable Snapping option. This allows us to choose a snapping layer, for example OS Master Map. Now using the Draw Polygon tool, when you click in the map, each vertex will snap against an existing map object such as the outline of a building or the fence line of a property. Once a feature is snapped around the edge of this building, enter the attributes for the new planning application. Press OK and save the new feature. For even more accurate and quicker drawing, we can use the Capture an Existing Feature tool. Let's zoom into this jagged edge building. From the drawing tools, now choose the Capture Camera icon. At the bottom of the drawing tools will be the steps to follow, where firstly we'll choose the layer to capture against, such as Master Map. We'll then click in the map canvas to redline the feature to capture, and then press the camera button to copy and paste that object to our layer. As we're creating a new planning app again, we need to complete the app details. Press OK and choose the Save button to create our new planning app. Another useful tool is the Add Ring option. This allows you to choose an existing map feature to then draw a ring inside, left clicking to create the shape. When completed, this will create a hole within the map object. Remember to choose the Save button to commit the updates to the feature. Let's now explore options for filtering the drawing layer to find existing features that may be covering other map objects. At the top of the drawing tools, in the Filter section, choose a column in your data to filter on, such as Location field. Then type a value to search for. In our case, we have a rose bed underneath the grass roundabout. Having typed the value rosebed, choose the Apply Filter to Map button. This then filters a drawing layer to only show records with rosebed in the location field. This enables us to see the hidden feature, so we can now use the Move tool to drag the rosebed to a new location and press the Save button to commit the updates to our planning apps. In the Filter section, choose a Clear Filter button and all other planning applications are added back into the map. Finally, there's an Opacity Slider, which allows you to make your drawing layer translucent. Again, this is great when you have multiple features at the same location. Having thinned the planning apps, this time we'll use the Draw Circle tool to drag and create a circle feature on the roundabout. In the attributes, enter the details, and this time, let's call this Rosebed 2. Choose OK and press the Save button to update our layer. If we make the drawing layer 100% opaque again, we can see the new feature as well as all the existing planning applications in this area.